এগুলো কি
All these are saplings. Saplings. Speak saplings.
আচ্ছা একটু
Speak saplings.
এটা মানে কি বালি মানে কি
Sand, sand, sand. While going to the market, I saw this sugarcane machine on the way, and I thought I should stop here to take a glass of sugarcane. Today in Calcutta, it is 40 degrees Celsius, around 40 degrees Celsius. Yesterday it was raining in the night time, around 11 p.m. After 11 p.m. it was raining here in Calcutta. But today it's very much sunny day, very much sunny day, very hot temperature today. So I thought that I can take a glass of sugarcane. So that's why I out. Which fish is there? From my room. Which fish? Telavia. There.
হ্যাঁ
In the top floor.
হ্যাঁ
Okay, let's go.
হ্যাঁ
So, so at first I would like to make rice. At first I would like to put the kodai here, and after that I would like to start the oven. As you can see, this is actually induction oven. It has started, and there is the speed of 1600. I would like to buy 1300. Tilapia. So let's go.
চলো
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 চলো চলো
চলো
চলো দাঁড়াও এটা একটু অফ করে দিন। Let's go. Listen. Let's go. Let's go. এদিকে হ্যাঁ, ওখান থেকে দেখা যাবে। ওকে লেটস গো। ও এখানে তেলাপিয়া। রথ? Where is Roth? Oh, this one Roth. Okay. So guys, today, as you can see, today's weather, it's morning time, very morning time, 8:30 a.m. and you can see the sun is there in the distance this side. Okay. And yesterday it was raining here in Calcutta city, and that's why you can see all the trees are very much clean. Every tree, they are very much clean. As you can see here also some trees. So this is the weather. This is the morning, very morning from Calcutta city for today's update actually from Calcutta. And come here Isan. Don't go in the sunshine, you'll be black. Which one? All these are saplings. Speak saplings. Sand. Bali means sand. Okay, let's come, Isan. Come, let's go to our room, and after that we will play lukachuri. Come, Isan, come. হ্যাঁ, কোথায় বসেছিল? উপরে? কেন? তোমাকে তো আমি বকতে বলেছি, তুমি বকনি কেন? ওকে বকতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? ওকে বকা দিতে হবে। আমি তো ঘুমিয়ে গেছিলাম, তুমি তো বকতে পারতে। আমি তো ঘুমিয়ে গেছিলাম আঙ্কেল, আমি খুব টায়ার্ড ছিলাম, তুমি করতে পারতে, তুমি ওকে বকতে পারতে। দৌড়ে ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছিল? ও আচ্ছা।